Hello, in this video we're gonna check how all gestures and motions work on the Xiaomi 13 Lite. And to do this, first let's open our settings and locate the gestures and motions by going to additional settings, and here we have it. Now let's check which options work and how they exactly perform. We have launch Google Assistant. Press and hold the power button for half a second. And here we have it, it works fine. Next is take a screenshot. So we have two different options, slide 3 fingers down and volume down plus power key. First one works like this, second one like this. Next is a partial screenshot. So you need to hold 3 fingers onto the screen to make a partial screenshot. Next one is launch camera. Here you have two options. You can use double press power button or double press volume down button when your screen is locked. Let's try it out. This one works fine, and this one also works fine. Now the last option is a flashlight, and we can turn it on with double pressing the power key, and we'll need to replace that with a camera. Now let's try that out. It works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.